Namaste, welcome back to Learn Easy 786. Today, let us see the Bihari Lal Kabegat Visheshitaye from Praveen Uttarat Prachin Patichenika. In first part, we have seen about his life and his synopsis of his poetic specializations. Now, let us sum up all the characteristics of his poetry one by one by the side headings. Let us see now. Before that, a small request. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share with your friends, share, comment and subscribe. Whoever not yet subscribed, please subscribe for the latest updates. Come on, let's see we have already seen first part about his life and briefly his characteristics of poetry. Let us see in detail. बिहारी के काव्य की विशेषताओं को इन बिंदुओं के माध्यम से स्पष्ट किया जा सकता है. We can explain the characteristics of his poetry by the following headings, said headings. Let us see one by one. The first one is Safal Muktak Rachana. That means successful freestyle writing. बिहारी एक सफल मुक्तकार है. बिहारी लाल is a best freestyle writer. Poets are different type. Some may write the sonnet, some may write the epic, some may write the ode, some may write the conventional poetry, some may write the non-conventional freestyle, Paradise Lost, Milton's, like that. Poets will write in different way. This poet is special in writing, best in writing freestyle poetry. बिहार एक सफल मुक्तकार है. उन्होंने अपने दोहों में गागर में सागर भरने का प्रयास किया है. He tried to show in a pot the ocean. Gagar means pot, sagar means ocean. In a pot he shown the ocean. That means in a few words he has explained the enormous meaning. In the few words hidden the enormous meaning. Enormous things is hidden in a few words. In such a way he wrote all his each couplet. अपनी सतसई के दोहा में बिहारी ने मुक्त काव्य की समस्त विशेषता में समेट रखे. He gathered all the characteristics of freestyle writing, freestyle poetry writing in his Satsai, that is a collection of dohas. आचार्य शुक्ल के अनुसार, according to the आचार्य शुक्ल जी, उनके दोहों में एक सफल मुक्तकार की कल्पना की समाहार शक्ति और भाषा की समास शक्ति दोनों विद्यमान है. According to the आचार्य शुक्ला जी, both the enormous power of imagination and the great power of language both were there in his poetry. Now we are coming to see the second one. Shungar Ras की प्रधानता. Shungar Ras, that is love. Passions are different. Anger, sad, pity. There are so many passions. 9 passions are there. This is one among the nine passions. There is Shungar. Shungar means love. Shungar Ras की प्रधानता. The importance is there in his writing, that is love. Bihari, one poet will use one. Mostly Tulsidas used the Veer Ras, Shungar Ras, like that. Here Bihari Lal also used the Shungari Ras, Bhakti Ras. Let us see now. Bihari रीतिकाल के सर्वश्रेष्ठ श्रृंगार कवि है. He is the best of the best love poets. So many poets are different. Nature poets are there, cynical. He is the Shungar, love poems, love dohas mainly he has written so many. Sanyog or Viyog. Sanyog means in the poetic literature there is Sanyog and Viyog. Poets Sanyog means where the lover and the beloved are united. That is Sanyog. Both the lover and his beloved will be united in Sanyog. Viyog means separated. Here correlation, here separation. संयोग और वियोग श्रृंगार के इन दोनों रूपों का संतुलित चित्रण उन्होंने अपने दोहे में किया है. बोथ यूनियन एंड डिसयूनियन both were present in his dohas. Well presented. Bhakti. Now the third one is bhakti, niti tatha prakriti chitran. Bhakti means devotion. Niti means moral and ethics, and prakriti means nature. Everything is well shown, presented in his poetry. बिहारी सत्सय में प्रमुख था श्रृंगार. रस को दिया जाने पर भी रीतिकाल के अन्य गुणों, प्रकृतियां, भक्ति भावना, दार्शनिकता, नीति के कथन, प्रकृति चित्रण आदि भी प्राप्त होते हैं. Besides the mostly the primarily priority is given to love, but there are other qualities also there in his poetry, that is devotion, bhakti bhavana, devotion, darshanik philosophy, niti ethnic, prakriti nature. All these things were hidden in his writing, in his poetry. The next one is bhakti. Bhakti means devotion. बिहारी ने भक्ति परक दोहे भी रचे हैं. That means he has written the devotional couplets also, जिसमें राम, कृष्णा आदि की श्रुति है. In his couplets he has written in praise of Lord Krishna and Rama, even the Radha also. उनमें किन्हीं निर्गुण और here सगुण भी, वे दोनों निर्गुण का वर्णन सारे, उनमें कहीं निर्गुण का वर्णन है तो कहीं सगुण की महिमा का वर्णन है. Here he uses the both nirgun, sagun, nirgun. Nirgun means the people will believe, worship the god which don't have body, shape and attributes. Sagun means the god which have body, shape and attributes. Nirgun means don't have body, shape and attributes. Both were there in his writings. He has described the both this one. मंगल चरण के रूप में लिखित उनकी श्री राधा वंदना में भी यही प्रवृत्ति लक्षित होते हैं. The same what you have read here will be there in his writing Radha Vandana. Here let us see now. मेरी भव बाधा हरो राधा, नागरी सोये, जातन की झाई परे, सम्यु हरित दुथी होये. Here he said in this couplet that as the Lord Krishna's complexion, color of his body changed by the reflection of the Radha's body complexion, thus let my life's sorrows should wash off and turn into happy. In this way he prayed to the he requested to the he prayed to the goddess Radha to relieve him from the sorrows. Niti means ethic. बिहारी ने अनेक नीतिगत दोहे भी लिखे. He has wrote many moral couplets too. इसका एक उदाहरण है. One example is this that we are going to see now. नर के अरु नल नीर की गति एकै करी जोय जय तो नीचे हवे चले तो ते तो ऊंचा हुए as the man nar means man nal means tap water should go, that means should be down to the earth. As it go, as the water flow down from the tap, the water flow on the earth only, from the up to down. In the same way, the man also, if he behaves down to earth, he will grow up himself. He will reach to the extremes of the greatness. That is said here. प्रकृति चित्र. नाउ वी आर कम टू सी द नेचर डिस्क्रिप्शन. बिहारी काव्य में प्रकृति का मनोरम रूप चित्रित हुआ है. इन हिज नेचर, दो ही इज नॉट नेचर पोएट, ही हैज डिस्क्राइब्ड मेनी थिंग्स इन हिज दोहास अबाउट द नेचर. सट ऋतु वर्णन अबाउट द सीजन्स ऑफ द मानसून बिहारी काव्य की विशेषता है. About the seasons he described in his dohas. For one example, Arun Sarorha Kar Charan Drug Khanjan Mukhchand Samay Aaye Sundaris Sarad Kahina Karatanand. The beautiful woman whose Arun means red, Sarorha means lotus, Kar means hands. Charan, hands and legs, both whose hands and legs are just like a red lotus, and the body is just like a bird. Khanjan means bird. Mukhchand, face is just like a moon. That lady Sundari will make the everyone happy, make the cheerful. She can give the pleasure to every man who is very beautiful with the lotus. Just like a lotus hands and legs, and just like a body is this bird, and the face is just like a moon. That means all these see metaphor and similes are used here. Like that only he described everything. Here all the moon and lotus, everything is described from the nature. इस प्रकार बिहारी काव्य में श्रृंगार मीन्स लव, आई टोल्ड ना, के साथ साथ भक्ति मीन्स डिवोशन, नीति एथिक आर द मॉरल आर द प्रकृति नेचर का भी सुंदर चित्रण हुआ है. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर गिवन इज देयर इन हिज दोहास. नॉट ओनली लव बट आल्सो डिवोशन, मॉरल and nature. He has chosen the four things. One is love, the other one is nature, the third one is bhakti, and the moral. All the things were presented there in his dohas. बाह्य आडंबरों का विरोध, pomp and show, he was against to this thing. बिहारी के मतानुसार बाह्य आडंबर भक्ति के पावन मार्ग में बाधक है. All this the pomp and show, this thing, pretendingness, this one is just like a obstacle to the in the divine path. Bihari ne mala japne, that means some people will be reciting the same name as showing that one, and तिलक लगाने जैसे बाढ़मर पूर्ण कृतियों की सारहीनता को बताया है. He has against all these things. For the real worship and the devotion will be known to the God Almighty. The people just for the showing sake to get the good name, they may be reciting here and there, and the nama, this one, that thing on the face, they will do no this tilak. These are things are just show business. So he is against to all these things. Jap mala, jape tilak sarena, aiko kam. Nothing will be done with the just reciting japam, just doing like that. Nothing will be done. Nothing can be useful. Man kanche nache vrut, sanche ranche ram. The people who has a that means half knowledge people who don't have the perfection, who know not the divine path, what actually it is. They will do all these things, they will do the dance, such things, but the God knows who is the real devotee. That is shown in this couplet. Now Bhasha Shaili, his language. Bihari काव्य की प्रतिनिधि भाषा ब्रज है. He is the main language used in his writing is Braj Bhasha. Some people use the Avadhi, some poets are using the Avadhi. Mostly Braj Bhasha Avadhi is used in mostly Tulsidas, Kabir Das as well as the Bihari also. चंद की दृष्टि से बिहारी ने प्रमुखता दोहा चंद का प्रयोग किया है. As the I told you first he has written only couplets, doha. बिहारी को श्रृंगार रस का कवि माना जाता है. We can say he is a romantic poet. As he has written all the love related, mostly his couplets related to the love. उनके काव्य में श्रृंगार और भक्ति रस से प्रमुखता से पाए जाते हैं. In his writing, mostly we can find two things. One is love, the other one is devotion. बिहारी के दोहों में शब्दालंकार की अपेक्षा, we have already seen all these things. See, once again we are seeing here. शब्दालंकार and अर्थालंकार की अधिकता है. We have the both. This is much. Both the शब्दालंकार as well as the अर्थालंकार. तद्गुण, अत्युक्ति, उपमा आदि अलंकार अधिक मात्रा में पाए जाते. There are so many alankars are there na, so here is this type of the alankars. बिहारी ने अपने काव्य में अनेक लोक प्रचलित महावरों और लोकयुक्तियों का प्रभावशाली प्रयोग किया है. Sayings, proverbs, that also he used in his poetry. Say महावीरों, लोकयुक्तियों, sayings and proverbs also he has written so many. Now निष्कर्षता, conclusion. कहा जा सकता है कि भाव पक्ष, that means we can say like this one, that is भाव पक्ष means emotions, expressions. Kala Paksha, both art and feelings. Kala means art, Bhava means feelings. Both way, दृष्टियों से बिहारी का काव्य उत्कृष्ट in the both aspects. One is in the feeling, the other one is art. It is the one of its best poetry. बिहारी रीतिकाल की एक असाधारण प्रतिभा संपन्न कवि है. He is the extraordinary talented poet of mannerism period. This is the characteristics or the specializations of the Bihari Lal poetry. I think you might have understood about his poetry and his characteristics of his poetry and his life. I think you understood. You might have satisfied with the explanation of mine. Suppose if you are satisfied, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share, like, share, subscribe and comment. If you have any doubts regarding this one, if you want to tell anything about this one, please inform me in the comments box. If you want any more things to be known, grammar or any other things, please inform. Accordingly, I will help you. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind.